Hello, welcome to Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech. So today we're diving into a new series or a new business that I'll be building with you right here, and I'll be posting all the videos and all that I do. So the new brand that we're building, it is a blogging business. So basically what we are looking for is to start a blog, be able to be approved AdSense by Google so that we can earn some money using Google, and also try to add the affiliate marketing over there. So basically I've already brainstormed, and I have a name that we're going to use. So basically the name in mind is Marsha Digital. This is Marsha Creatives, it's a different brand. So the blogging will be marshadigital.com. So I've already done some brainstorming here and there, and as you can see, I've already created a playlist over here for the series of videos. So this is a new playlist on YouTube, and I use a lot of AI. So I'll ask AI to generate for us a description for that playlist. So that is on my other screen here. Sorry you are not able to see that, but I'm just asking. Actually I'm using Gemini at the moment, and I'm just getting it has given me a very long description, so I'll just tell it to make it short. So let me just show you that. So there we go. So here it is. Welcome to Marsha Digital blogging journey. This is a complete transparency blueprint, profitable passive income. Following along, marshacreativedigital.com. From scratch we cover everything, niche selection, SEO, and all of that. So I'll just copy this. I'll copy that, and I'll just have it on this description over here. So the things I need to remove. This will be our website link, marshadigital.com. And for the affiliates right now, we don't have any affiliates that we have created, so I'll remove this. Maybe you can update this in future. So that is our playlist, and I'm just going to create it. So if you go to Marsha Creatives, now you should be able to see a new playlist. Let's just confirm that. Marsha Creatives playlist, and we have a new playlist. Or okay, it does not have videos, so it won't appear here, but we have it ready for our first video, which is this one. So I'll very first clear my browser here, so that now we can start working on our new project. So we're going to buy. I've already confirmed the domain is available. Here it is, but let me show you the process. So this is where I buy all my domain and hosting. So just go to hostkenya.co.ke. Go to hostkenya.co.ke. This was me doing research about the domain and all of that. So I'll close all these tabs. I have so many tabs here which are not necessary at the moment. So this is Host Kenya, and if you are looking to buy a domain, then check them out. So over here, that will be our domain, marshadigital.com, and I've already done the search, so it's available. And for this one, we're going to use WordPress. So on top here, we're going to use WordPress hosting. So I click on WordPress hosting, and for buying the domain and hosting, we are going to use the cheapest option. So we are not going to push ourselves. You can upgrade later, but for now, let's use the WP performance over here. So I'll click on get started over there. Or what can we even use? Let's start with this, because this is for very young people who are trying to jump into creating a passive income. So if you're looking to create a passive income, I don't want you to spend a lot of money. So this will be your first website. I'll take you through the entire design process and all of that. So for me, I'm going to go for .com over here, and I'll click check. So as you can see, marshadigital.com is available. So the next thing is to scroll down and click continue. And there we go. So we are buying the WP starter, WordPress hosting, and we are also registering this domain. marshadigital.com, and this is the amount, and this is the total amount we are going to pay in Kenya shillings. So let's check out. So here we are. So you can decide to fill in these details, but for me I usually go for sign in with Google because it's quick, and it just picks my details automatically because I already have an account with Host Kenya. So there we go, and right here that is my account. It's selected, and it will ask you if you want to pay with Lipa na M-Pesa or credit card or PayPal. So for me, I'm going to use Lipa na M-Pesa. I'm going to complete the order. So just give it ample time to load because it needs to verify. It has to run all the webhook stuff to the backend and back, confirm the payment method that you have selected and all of that, confirm that you are an actual user, not a bot. And as you can see, it's moving to the next step. So there we go. So right here, you can even change the payment method over here, but for me, I'm going to maintain Lipa na M-Pesa or credit card. Then I'll click pay now, and I should get a pop-up. As you can see, there's my pop-up. So you can use PesaLink or M-Pesa. So here is my phone number, and that's the amount I'm going to pay, and I just click pay. So automatically I should get a pop-up on my phone, an STK push. I should just input my PIN, and that should, okay, there's my pop-up, and let me just input my PIN over here on my phone. Okay, so automatically it's going to process the payments, all of that, and redirect you to your client area. So don't close this page. Just as you can see on top, it's still loading. So give it time to approve that with the backend and all of that, that the payment has gone successfully and all of that. Once it is done, it will redirect you to the client area page. So for now, just give it time to do its thing. And I'm getting messages of the transactions that the transaction that I have done over here. So you should also get a message. For me, I'm getting a message from Intersend. I guess that is Host Kenya's payment gateway. So there we go. Now that is okay. You can see order confirmation. Thank you for your order. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly, and click continue to client area. So for me, I have several services with them. I've bought so many domains and hosting packages from here. So let me just, here it is, the first one, Marsha Digital, WordPress hosting WP starter. So if I click on login to cPanel, let's see if it's going to redirect us to the cPanel. So voila. So that means our domain and our hosting is up and running. You can see here is our domain. But since we have already purchased the domain, by default you are supposed to give this domain 24 hours to propagate the SSL certificate, so that now it is secure to be used on the web, so that you can get this. You see, our connection is secure over here. So even I'm very sure if we even go to this domain right now, it has not propagated. Okay, seems that was quick. It's already up and running. Okay, I think Host Kenya is doing the most. It's doing a good work. It's already up and running, and the connection is secure. That's magic. That's magic. It always takes me about 20 to 30 minutes for the domain to propagate, and here it is. Okay, so let's proceed. So okay, basically I wanted to take this step by step, but we'll just proceed for now. I'll see where we stop, then we can proceed to the next part. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment on the comment section, and also like this video. So here we are. we have purchased our domain and our hosting. So right now, your first step of building a blog or building a passive income is up and running. So ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let's meet on the next video where we will start building our website. Peace out.